What's good, YouTube? This video we are going to be breaking down bulls versus bears. What is the difference when you hear this and the true definition and meaning? So as always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below on what you guys think, and below this video we have our free trading Discord group. People can come, learn, earn, ask questions, be part of a great trading community and a team, while other people out there will charge you for this. Our Discord group community is free. We don't ask you for your email, your credit card, none of that stuff. Also below this video we have our free Telegram group. You guys can join that as well, and then the link to the broker that I recommend. You guys get a 100% matching deposit bonus, which means if you deposit 500, they give you 500. It's very great for growing, a small account. But nonetheless, let's dive into this video. So bulls versus bears, what does this actually mean? So when you hear a bullish market, basically what it means is that the chart is basically pushing to the upside, right? And they basically get that word from a bull lifting its horns up, right? Basically lifting its horns up, and they get that with the market. It's lifting its horns up. It's basically uptrending. Typically when you see something like this, you would buy, right? And as the price continues to the upside, you would close your trade, sell your position, and make money. So basically you took a bullish trade, made bullish money on the uptrend. Bear is complete opposite, right? And they get this term, this coin, from a bear basically standing up, and a bear pushes its paws down when it comes down on the ground. So they call it bearish market, bearish candle, bearish day. Again, you'll get this, right? People will be like, oh, it's a bullish day, it's a bearish day, it's a bullish candle, bullish month, week, vice versa, bearish day, bearish market. Basically the market's just selling off, right? It's bleeding out. Something like this, you basically typically look to sell and then make money on the downside. And people get that confused. They're like, wait a second, you're telling me I can make money if the fucking market is going down? Basically, the market's bleeding out. How do you make money like that? Well, it's simple. Basically, with stocks, they'd call it short selling. Basically, you sell short, you short your position. And how this basically works is say if you have an account that's basically like, say, $12,000 and you sell, you take a position, right? You're basically betting against the market. You're basically betting for everybody to lose. Something like this, basically as the market bleeds out, you'd sell your position and make money on the downside. Now, typically with this, you basically use margin account. You're basically leverage. You're basically borrowing, because a lot of people don't have $12,000 to trade with. Okay, well, if you guys use the link below this video, you get a bonus, so you can have $1,000 to trade with. But nonetheless, if you only have $500, how it basically works is you're borrowing $12,199 from your broker, and again, you have a $500 account, and you're basically using only $123 margin of your own money, and you have free margin. So what that means is, basically, to sum this up for you guys, to make it very, very simple, you're borrowing money, you're only using a little bit of your money, and you basically have this free capital. So if the trade goes against you, you can lose $377, and your account will only have $123 left in there with a $500 account. That's a great tool and feature that this broker below this video gives you, allows you to use. Borrowed money, margin, leverage. All those go together hand in hand, which allow you to come every single day and make money from the market. Now, here is my live account. As always, you can see that this is gold in this particular trade. You can see this is what would be considered a bullish candle. Bullish candle. Something like this could look to watch for a resistance zone here, okay, and basically look to make money on the downside and look for a bearish candle come in here. Something like this, we would look to possibly take it from a sell standpoint and sell it with a tight stop loss, take profit, let the trade work in a direction. As the trade goes in our favor, we would look to make money. But basically, guys, when you see a bullish upside or a bearish downside, you want to do the complete opposite. You don't want to chase it. A lot of guys look to chase it, and then once they get into the trade, it automatically retracts, and they're kind of like, why did I do that? I should have fucking did the complete opposite, because I would have made money. So that's basically trading 101 for you. You'll learn this as time goes on. You'll learn this from my videos, past trades, recaps, performance, my live trades. See, look, I mean, this motherfucker's pulling back right now, guys. I know I curse a lot in my videos, but I keep it raw, I keep it real with you guys. But like I said, if I took a sell on this bitch, I mean, it's happening right now, live, real time, yada, yada, yada. I probably could have took a trade on this, but she's pulling back here. So, I mean, if I had jumped in here at 45.87, keep a tight stop loss, very tight stop loss, basically close out this trade, take partial. If I took, say, 10 lots, this right now I'd be scaling out, maybe scaling out 1 lot, 2 lot, paying myself along the way. And this is what you want to look for when you're trading, right? You want to look at these bearish candles, bullish candles. Okay, this candle, how much did it go? Okay, this bullish candle went from 45, 43 all the way up here to 45.91. She's going to pull back. It's going to come down, right? Why would I want to buy it up here? I'm chasing it, right? I'm basically gonna get stabbed by the bull, right? I'd rather be bearish. I'd rather jump in this thing, make money as it's pulling back, paying yourself along the way. And that, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, is Trading 101 for you guys. The more you listen to me, the more you learn from me, the better trader you will become. I'm not here flexing Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Maseratis, Rolexes, Rolls Royces, McLarens. I mean, the list goes on and on with these cars. I'm not here flexing this shit. I'm flexing raw, solid education, charts, trading, profits, learn and earn. That is how you become a better trader day in and day out. Again, perfect example. Look at this thing pulling back right now. Probably could have jumped in this for you guys, but nonetheless, I'm not trading anymore the rest of the day. I'm making this video at nighttime, but this video will get published earlier in the day. So that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Video thumbs up, comment below what you guys think, and again, the free Discord group is below this video. I'll catch you in the next one.